a British citizen, he came to Leeds from Nigeria in 1949 in search of a better life. Hounded to his death near Leeds Bridge, 2 policemen were imprisoned for their crimes. The river tried to carry you away, but you remain with us in Leeds, which is a quote from Caryl Phillips. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The bridge that you're standing on right now is part of the reason why the city of Leeds exists. Leeds exists as a medieval city because the Romans tried to build a road between York and Manchester, and they had to cross this river. This particular bridge was built in 1870, so it's been here for 152 years, but before that there were other bridges and there was a ferry crossing. This river has been absolutely central to the formation of Leeds. Without this river, there would be no city of Leeds at all. And actually, the word Leeds comes from the Old English word ledenses. And the word ledenses means, this is our tribal name, by the way. Everybody I'm looking at now is part of that tribe. Our tribal name is people of the fast-flowing river. That's what Leeds means. We're all people of the fast-flowing river. We nearly lost one, but we got him back today. Thank you.